Hello students, how are you today? I hope you all are fit and energetic. Dear students, once again I am here to teach you today EVS. So dear students, let's revise the chapter Our Body and the Sense Organs. Dear students, now I am going to say few sentences. You also revise the sentences behind me. Okay? So, dear students, say any 5 parts of body. Yes. Eyes. Say children, eyes. Repeat with me, eyes. Let's learn these spellings. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Say children, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Very good. Now, another one. Nose. Very good. Say with me. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Yes. Next. Ears. Very good. Ears. Hold your ears and say ears. Yes. What is the spelling of ears? E-A-R-S. Ears. Very good. Hands. What are these? Hands. Say children, H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Hands. Now say leg. Leg. L-E-G-S. Legs. Say with me, L-E-G-S. Legs. Very good. So, revise the 5 parts of body. Eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs. Very good. Now, let's revise some of the questions given in our textbook. Okay, students? The first question is, what do you see with? Do you understand the question? What do you see with? Yes. So, what is the answer? Eyes. So, how you have to answer, children? Say with me, okay? I see with my eyes. Repeat. I see with my eyes. Say, I see with my eyes. Now, do the action. I see. Repeat. I see with my eyes. Very good. Say the sentence now. I see with my eyes. Okay? Now, let's go to read the second question. And the second question is, what do you hear with? What do you hear with? So, the answer is ears. Very good. You remember. Very smart children. Then, how you have to answer? I hear with my ears. Say children, I hear with my ears. Say, I hear with my ears. Repeat with me once again. I hear with my ears. Very good. So like this, the 2 activity page question answers, you revise how to say the question and answers. Okay, students? Let's do some activity. And for today's activity, I have given you some 3 questions in the pattern of fill in the blanks. What you have to do? You have to fill these blanks. Okay? So students, let's revise the sentences we had learnt earlier. So children, I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. Very good. I feel with my skin. Very good. I taste with my tongue. Very good. So, the 3 questions given here, let's do some activity. So students, look at the board carefully. Now I am reading. You listen the question and say the answer. Okay? We feel with our dash. Yes, students, we feel with our dash. Yes, we feel with our skin. Very good. So, what is the spelling of skin? S-K-I-N. S-K-I-N. Skin. Say, children, we feel with our skin. Say again, we feel with our skin. Very good. So, students, let's see the second question. W-E-V. Very good. We smell with our dash. Yes, children? We smell with our, yes, good, nose. So, what is the spelling of nose? Yes, so write here spelling of nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Very good. Now, the next question. We taste with our dash. We taste with our dash. How do you taste? We taste with our, yes, tongue. Spelling of tongue. Very good. Write here T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Okay, students, like this you write the answers of question 1. We feel with our skin, and we smell with our nose, and we taste with our tongue in your term 1 book page activity. Okay, students, the activity. Now homework time. Dear students, today for practice work you have to write 4 words. Okay, spelling of eyes, nose, ears and skin. Okay, and how you have to write? Now see the notebook. This is your EVS notebook. Now you have to write here spelling of EYES, eyes, and divide the page in 2 equal parts, and write another side spelling of NOSE, nose. Okay, then turn the page and write here spelling of ears, 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 and another side SKIN, skin. Okay, and write in all the lines with good handwriting. Okay, so students, finish your work, do learning and send it to me so that I can know you all are learning at your home. Be safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Have a nice day. Bye.